back to Talk of the Town with me, Ronak Kotecha, on Talk 100.3. And for a while now, Vastu has been the talk of the town. But what exactly is it? And how does it impact not just our home, but our mental and our physical health as well? To answer all of that, I have with me in the studios today, Acharya Pankit Goyal, India's celebrity Vastu expert. Acharya ji, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much.
So, I have so many questions on my mind, लेकिन I want to start with your start. आपकी जर्नी जहाँ से शुरू हुई. I believe from Rajasthan, right?
Yes, I belong from a place called Suratgarh, and that is a small town in Rajasthan. So मैं वहाँ से आता हूँ, and my father is an engineer. So back then I started in 2009. 2009 I went to my school and I did my studies in commerce. And after that I started my business in 2013, and which went fail.
Okay.
And at that particular time, I came into contact of some astrologers and Vastu consultants. They helped me very much. And at that particular point of time, I thought this science should reach more people because it benefited me a lot.
But before getting into Vastu, you did 3D animation, you did designing, you also did brick business.
Yeah.
So when was that one point when you thought कि now भी वास्तु में जाना है?
So it started when जब मेरी ग्राफिक्स की पढ़ाई पूरी हो गई, फिर उसके बाद में हमने बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया. दैट इज ऑफ अ ब्रिक बिजनेस इन 2013. तो 2015 तक 2015 तक आई वाज इन सूरतगढ़ राजस्थान एंड आई वाज डूइंग माय ब्रिक बिजनेस ओनली. एंड एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम जब प्रॉब्लम्स खूब सारी आई और उस प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करने के लिए एक वास्तु कंसल्टेंट हमारे पास आए, उन्होंने उसमें बहुत मदद करी और वो बिजनेस टर्न अराउंड हो गया टू बी द बेस्ट बिजनेस इन दैट पर्टिकुलर सिटी. तब मुझे ये लगा कि ये साइंस और लोगों तक पहुंचनी चाहिए. दैट वाज द फर्स्ट किक. मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली की हेल्प करूं. आई डिड फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट वास्तु फॉर a year or two. And 2017 and 18 I decided this should have a value और मुझे अब इसमें प्रोफेशनल आना चाहिए. And I also see कि यहाँ पर जो मार्केट है वहां पर बहुत बड़ा लूप है. प्रोफेशनल कंपनीज अभी तक नहीं आई हैं जो इसको स्ट्रक्चर्ड वे में काम करती हो. सो डेफिनेटली.
बट when you started doing this for free, तब आपको लगा था कि आप इसको इतना बड़ा बिजनेस बना दोगे?
To be very frank, no. At that point of time, मैं सिर्फ ये चाहता था कि जो मेरे आसपास के लोग हैं उनको बेनिफिट हो जाए. So it started. एक स्टोरी है जहां पर मेरे एक अंकल थे. उन अंकल ने मुझे, जब मैंने उनका वास्तु किया तो उन्होंने मुझे फर्स्ट टाइम 51,000 रुपीज एज अ टोकन दिया और उन्होंने मुझे ये कहा कि अब से इससे नीचे कभी किसी से मत लेना बिकॉज यू हैव सम काइंड ऑफ पावर और आप कुछ करते हो और उसमें रिजल्ट आते हैं और डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम. Do it professionally, and then I started doing it professionally.
51,000 अगर हम, क्योंकि हम दुबई में हैं, तो अगर AED के हिसाब से देखें तो अराउंड 2,500 दिरहम या 2,500 दिरहम से भी ज्यादा होता है थोड़ा सा.
Yes.
So that's good money to begin with.
Exactly. At that point of time, I was in the like heavens. मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा था कि ये तो इससे अच्छा क्या हो सकता है कि मुझे एक बार के इतने 2,500 दिरहम मिल सकते हैं. बट यस, डे आफ्टर डे हमने और मेहनत करी, अपनी टीम बनाई एंड वी बिकेम द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव कंसल्टेंट ऑफ इंडिया. और ये उसी नींव के कारण है कि किसी ने मुझे कहा कि अगर मेरे बिजनेस में कई 100 करोड़ का फायदा हो सकता है तो why not you should take the money.
Take a little bit out of it.
Yeah.
But when was this? Like कौन सा साल में ये शुरू हुआ?
Professionally, in 2017.
It's pretty recent that way.
Yes.
But you know, आज भी लोगों को वास्तु के बारे में इतना नहीं पता है. They just know it. So if you can tell us in simpler terms, what exactly is वास्तु?
So we have a body. उस बॉडी पे जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स हमारे साथ होती हैं, so we go to a doctor and take the medicine to realign with ourselves. We take Ayurveda, we take yoga. That is all the alignment of our body. But what if I would say your space is manipulating you?
Okay.
Whatsoever you are thinking is thinking because of a particular space, that is your office or a home or something which is manipulating you is your environment. जैसा आप देखते हो वैसा आपका बिहेवियर हो जाता है. So anything around you or surrounding you that is impacting you, that is what we call Vastu Shastra. So we are saying you should have right colors, right washrooms, right placement of kitchen, right placement of bedroom, right placement of puja room. This will impact you in a certain way so that you can lead a good life. That is what Vastu Shastra is all about.
So in many ways it's like Feng Shui.
Not really. Feng Shui is technically a copied term from Vastu Shastra.
Okay.
Yeah, that is not very much Vedic. Vastu is very much Vedic. It comes from a Shastra called Shilp Shastra, and that comes from Sthapatya Ved. वैदिक टाइम से ये आ रहा है एंड फेंग शुई क्या हुआ, यहीं से कुछ चीजों को तोड़ के मरोड़ के और उस तरीके से कुछ कर दिया. फेंग शुई इज नॉट दैट एक्यूरेट. फेंग शुई कांट गिव यू 100% गारंटी, बट वास्तु कैन गिव इट.
सो यू आर सेइंग कि वास्तु जो है वो फेंग शुई से पहले आया था, और नॉट जस्ट पहले आया था, बट जो पुराने जमाने के लोग थे, राजा महाराजा थे,
हाँ.
ऑल ऑफ देम दे यूज्ड टू डू थिंग्स एज पर वास्तु.
एग्जैक्टली, एवरीवन, स्पेशली इंडिया, ये पूरा वास्तु के अनुसार पहले चला करता था और धीरे धीरे करके इसका वास्तु का ही खंडन हुआ, दैट स्पेस और एवरीथिंग. सो सारी चीजें हम सबको देखने को मिली.
So you are saying that Vastu came before Feng Shui, and not just that, जो emperors थे, जो राजा महाराजा थे उस जमाने के, वो वास्तु के हिसाब से चीजें करते थे.
सब कुछ.
Okay. तो जैसे मैंने स्टार्ट में कहा कि वास्तु has become the talk of the town, but not just in India. अब वेस्ट में भी काफी लोग वास्तु के बारे में बात करते हैं और उसके हिसाब से अपने घर बनाते हैं. तो why is it so?
वास्तु सिर्फ इंडिया से रिलेटेड है ही नहीं ना. वास्तु इज अ साइंस ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर. जो भी लोग एक सूदिंग आर्किटेक्चर चाहते हैं, जो पीसफुल आर्किटेक्चर चाहते हैं, जो चाहते हैं, जिनको पता है ये बात कि आपके आसपास के स्टोन्स, आपके आसपास की दीवारें, आपके आसपास के कलर, ये सब आपको इंपैक्ट करते हैं. दे ऑल आर यूजिंग वास्तुशास्त्र. और ये रिसेंट नहीं है. आपने कहा कि टॉक ऑफ द टाउन है और ये अभी रिसेंट है, बट दैट इज नॉट रिसेंट. वास्तुशास्त्र की नींव व्हाइट हाउस जब पड़ा तब से स्टार्ट हो चुकी है, और उन्होंने उसके ऊपर बुक लिखी हुई है, द एंशिएंट आर्किटेक्चर ऑफ न्यूयॉर्क सिटी. उस पूरे में व्हाइट हाउस के बारे में बताया गया कि कौन से मुहूर्त में पहली नींव रखी गई, कब व्हाइट हाउस बना है. दैट इज ऑल एज पर वास्तुशास्त्र. तो वेस्ट आज से नहीं ले रहा है. वेस्ट इज टेकिंग फ्रॉम ऑलवेज, बिकॉज दे बिलीव मच मोर इन द साइंसेस दैट वी आर बिलीविंग इन.
Okay. So the White House is as per Vastu, you are
Yes.
saying. And उस जो स्ट्रक्चर है वास्तु के हिसाब से व्हाइट हाउस का, उसका उनको क्या फायदा होता है? वो डू दे अंडरस्टैंड इट टुडे?
दे आर रूलिंग ऑल वर्ल्ड ना. वहां से पूरा दुनिया एक तरीके से चला रहा है आज यूएस. दैट मीन्स देयर इज समथिंग विच इज ग्रेट फॉर देम. इतना आसान नहीं है कि सारी पावर एक सेंटर्ड हो जाए. और टचवुड अगर हम वेस्ट की बात करते हैं तो उसके बाद हमारा फिर से हम इस तरफ आते हैं, हमारे दुबई की तरफ. दुबई इज ऑल्सो वेरी मच फोकस्ड ऑन द रियल एस्टेट एंड वास्तु थिंग्स. फर्स्ट पहले क्या होता था कि जब हम बॉम्बे में या दिल्ली में मकान ढूंढते थे तो वास्तु ऑस्पिशियस मिल जाता था. आज दिल्ली बॉम्बे में 50 में से 50 में से एक घर वास्तु ऑस्पिशियस है. बट दुबई में वी हैव 1 out of 3 होम एज पर वास्तु. Intentionally, non-intentionally, I don't know. But yes, people are following Vastu here, and you will be very surprised. Whole Dubai is Vastu auspicious.
Okay, you're
Yes.
saying Dubai as a city is Vastu compliant?
Yes, it's Vastu compliant.
अच्छा, आप जब यहाँ पे आते हो दुबई में, तो जो आपकी क्लाइंटेल होती है, is it more Indians? Of course, there'll be more Indians, but do you get a lot of other expats because this is an expat city?
Yes, right now from last 1.5 year we are getting clients from across the globe and obviously different
lot of
regions.
countries.
Yes, yeah.
Right, but अगर हम इंडिया की बात करें तो is India also built as per वास्तु? इंडिया जो पूरा
Not right now.
country है.
Not right now. They are trying to do something. For example, अभी उन्होंने स्टैच्यू ऑफ यूनिटी जो वेस्ट में बनाया है इन गुजरात, दैट इज वेरी गुड फॉर इंडिया. और भी बहुत सारी, जैसे एक धोलेरा सिटी करके बन रही है इंडिया में, दैट इज ऑल्सो वास्तु ऑस्पिशियस.
In Gujarat again.
That's in Gujarat again. There are some projects which are coming as per Vastu, but doing Vastu of whole India is next to impossible now
Right.
because it's a too big area.
And it's too ancient also.
Too ancient
नई
also.
country तो नहीं है.
हाँ.
But which states would you say are the most vastu rich?
In India,
Yeah.
I think south of India, typically I would say the Karnataka and Gujarat.
Okay.
Both are especially the Vastu rich.
Okay. But you know, हम जब इंडिया की बात करते हैं तो हम बॉलीवुड की बात तो करनी पड़ेगी. We can't miss that. So you worked with a lot of Bollywood stars as well.
Mostly.
You worked with like
Most
from
of
Amitabh Bachchan to Shah Rukh Khan. You've been to Mannat as well. You worked with Kriti Sanon. You worked with a range of stars, singers as well, Mika Singh. तो जब ये लोग आपके पास आते हैं तो typically what are the kind of requests they come to you with?
सबकी अलग अलग रिक्वेस्ट होती हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल व्हेन वी आर वर्किंग फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर सिंगर, so they are working for the some require the health concerns, some must be having the relationship issues, other one must be having the job issues or the work issues. तो सबके अलग अलग concerns हैं. और ज्यादातर जो बॉलीवुड के सितारे आते हैं वो आज के वक्त पर नई जो बिल्डिंग्स बना रहे हैं या नई जो प्रॉपर्टीज को एक्वायर कर रहे हैं उनके लिए ज्यादा आते हैं.
Okay, तो जब आप इनके घरों में जाते हो तो what is it that you notice?
हर किसी के घर में, नॉट इवन द सेलिब्रिटी, हर किसी के घर में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं बात करता हूँ, हमारे बॉलीवुड के एक बहुत बड़े डायरेक्टर हैं, तो ही स्टेज इन मुंबई ओनली. अगर मैं उनके घर पे जाके मैंने जब इस चीज को देखा तो वहां पर मुझे ये बात समझ में आई कि उनको किसी ने कहा कि उनका घर वास्तु ऑस्पिशियस है, बट दैट इज नॉट वास्तु ऑस्पिशियस एंड ही इज फेसिंग सीरियस हेल्थ इश्यूज राइट नाउ। और वो अभी भी उनकी भी बारे में बहुत सारी चर्चा चल रही है। वन एक्टर ही इज गॉट हर्टेड राइट नाउ, सो उनके साथ भी बहुत सारे वास्तु के इश्यूज हैं। और ये जितने भी लोग होते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल द इंसिडेंट दैट हैपेंड विद अमिताभ बच्चन इन 2002, दैट इज जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द रॉन्ग वास्तु। ही ओपनड हिज ऑफिस विच इज वेस्ट फेसिंग, दैट वाज वेरी बैड, इट वाज एट द टी पॉइंट ऑफ द वेस्ट, दैट इज वेरी रॉन्ग, in Mumbai only. ABCL, Amitabh Bachchan Corporation Limited, and then he used to have a bungalow which is Pratiksha, that was at the corner of Southeast. That is very bad for the accidents and losses. And then he shifted to a south-facing bungalow in Juhu, which is very good for him. So when Jalsa. So when you are into the business of fame, you should have a south entry. Okay. When you are into business of politics, you should have the east entry. So everyone has a different demand, so we need to look in the different aspects for sure.
Okay, but when these celebrities, change their homes as per Vastu, do they spend a lot of money, or do they tell you that we don't want to change too much?
No, everyone.
Give us.
Celebrities are very much open. They just want results. They can do anything on your terms, but they want results. If I'll tell them to use that particular washroom and to break one particular washroom, they will happily doing it.
Wow.
Yeah.
But is there a lot of pressure on you, because they are big names and you'll be asked and you would have to deliver?
Obviously, yes. Even not for celebrity, even for a man who is earning I think 1 lakh 2 lakh dirhams a month or a year, even I'm working for a layman. If I have taken money, the responsibility belongs to me. That is what authenticity is all about. So if I'll be working for celebrity, maybe the pressure is bit more because they are struggling a lot, because their life is not in a straight line. That is a zigzag line. So yes, there is a pressure, and I love working for the people who have the horses legs. मतलब जो भागना चाहते हैं, मैं उनके लिए तो बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से काम करना चाहता हूँ. So I love working for the industrialists, politicians and celebrities for sure.
So you love pressure. And
I love pressure.
And you said 1 lakh 2 lakh dirhams a month. If somebody earns that kind of money, definitely a celebrity in Dubai for sure.
अच्छा for sure.
I think you meant rupees, right?
नहीं, I meant dirhams.
हाँ
जी.
Right, but I want to ask.
That is 20-40 lakh rupees in a month in India.
Oh, that's loose change?
Now in India, people are making money.
Wow, I think I would happily go back to India if I can make that kind of money. But when you work with celebrities, you said you like being under pressure. But when it comes to Bollywood per se, there are so many celebrities. They say it's superstition, Ekta Kapoor, and so many names we have. Any incidents that you have, any experiences that you can share with us?
Actually, the thing is, it all started with the superstitions that adding a word K will bring lots of opportunity and prosperity in their life, but that is not true. It is all science. It is not a myth or superstitions. Okay. It belongs to every kind of religion. It belongs to every kind of person. It belongs to kid. It belongs to our old man. It belongs to you, me, everyone. So the thing is, if we are working on someone, but yes, back then 5 to 6 years in 2016, 2017, when I used to work for the celebrities, they were very much in the pressures. Like कोई आएगा, वो पाठ पूजा करेगा, तंत्र करेगा, मंत्र करेगा, मुझे कुछ पहनाएगा, मुझे कुछ स्टोन देगा. I don't do all the things. I personally believe you should make an environment in such a way so that your mind goes well and you should do well.
नहीं तो कोई एक्सपीरियंस आपको याद आता है किसी भी एक सेलिब्रिटी के साथ, खट्टा मीठा हो या कोई?
हाँ, एक सेलिब्रिटी के साथ हमारा बहुत खट्टा एक्सपीरियंस रहा. एक्चुअली शुरुआत कैसे होती है कि व्हेन एनी सेलिब्रिटी कम इनटू प्लेस, दे टॉक टू यू, और वो आपसे जब बात करना शुरू करते हैं, अरे यार भाई प्लीज हेल्प मी यार, और ये वो ऐसा, ठीक है, दैट्स गुड. इफ समबडी इज एट वेरी बिग लेवल, वो ऐसा नहीं करते. बट पीपल हु आर वेरी न्यू और अभी फेम मिलने वाला है या मिल रहा है, नया फेम है, वो ऐसा बहुत करते हैं. तो आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग फॉर अ सिंगर. And what he did with me is, he took all the consultations and everything. He took all the consultations and everything from me. And after that, he just disappeared when he became big.
He didn't pay you?
No, he paid me for sure, but nobody should disappear for sure. They should give you the credit. That's why nowadays I don't want to take name of any kind of celebrity that I'm working with, because I don't want their name for sure. I just want work. I give them my services, and now I disappeared. If you are happy now, that's fine.
You are the celebrity वास्तु expert. So हम लोग celebrities की बात कर रहे थे. आपने खट्टा experience तो बता दिया, कोई मीठा experience भी बताओ.
So, सबसे पहले जब मैंने किसी सेलिब्रिटी के लिए काम किया था, he was अरबाज खान.
Okay.
So I went to his home and I was in the under impression कि बहुत ऐसा ego होता है, attitude होता है, ये सब होता है, but he was damn sweet man. और the hospitality that he was giving to me and my team specifically, I was overwhelmed. And उसके बाद मेरे दिमाग में ये इमेज आ गई थी कि I was never स्टारी, मतलब इस तरीके का, हाँ, ऐसा कभी हुआ नहीं मेरे सामने कि मैं किसी के लिए स्टार स्ट्रक हो जाऊं. बट मेरे दिमाग में ये इमेज जरूर पहले थी कि कुछ ईगो, कुछ एटीट्यूड होता होगा. बट ही वॉज वेरी जेंटल बीइंग एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. आज भी मेरी कभी बात होती है तो बहुत अच्छे तरीके से वो बात करते हैं. बट आफ्टर दैट आई मेट सम पीपल जिनके बाद मुझे पता लगा नहीं, दिस इज अ ह्यूमन नेचर. सम विल बी स्वीट टू यू, सम विल बी सॉर टू यू. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द पीपल. But yes, he was very great, very gentle.
But generally ये होता है ना Bollywood में, when you work with one celebrity, you get word of mouth spread हो जाता है, and you get a lot of clientele through that particular chain of business and people.
Yeah, but they don't refer you directly.
Oh.
The things got into place. लोग बोल देते हैं कि हाँ ऐसा कर लो, वैसा कर लो, उनके पास चले जाओ, या सोशल मीडिया हेल्प कर देता है, या किसी ना किसी तरीके से आपकी बात मैनेजर्स पहुंचा देते हैं. बट येस, नाउ अ डेज द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम इज कि जो बड़े सेलिब्रिटी हैं वो आएंगे, वो आगे कहेंगे नहीं यार, वी कांट पे यू बिकॉज वी आर बिग नेम्स, सो वी डोंट वर्क फॉर देम नाउ. आई ब्लंटली से दिस इज माई ब्रेड एंड बटर. I'll work for you. You will see the results. I'll give you 100% money back guarantee. You can write on papers. Let's do an agreement and everything is possible in my business. But I am not that kind of person now जो आके कहेगा कि नहीं मैं आपके लिए काम कर देता हूँ और फिर आपको रिजल्ट्स दे दूंगा, ये कर दूंगा, वो कर दूंगा और बाद में देखेंगे आपको मूवी मिल जाएगी. No, I am not kind of that person. But yes, again, some people are really very good. Even they are celebrities or not, but some are not.
You give 100% guarantee?
101% guarantee on the stamp paper.
Really?
Yes.
You actually write it down?
Write it down, yes. I can give you mail, I can write it down on paper.
So no, what are the terms like? You say, okay, once you do Vastu with me, you will
give me the problems of your life.
Yeah.
That should be practical. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि मुझे एक दिन शाहरुख खान बनना है ना, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता ना. If you are going on a right path, but you are having some kind of problems, I'll definitely help you to sort down. कई बार लोग क्या होते हैं, मैं 100 रुपए कमाता हूँ जी, मेरे को 1000 रुपए पहुंचा दोगे क्या, या मैं 100 दिरहम कमाता हूँ, मुझे 1 लाख पे पहुंचा दोगे. दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल एट ऑल. बट यस, इफ यू आर डूइंग समथिंग जिसमें प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही है, हम उस प्रॉब्लम्स को लिखेंगे, हम उनसे बात करेंगे, वी कैन गिव द गारंटी कि आपके साथ ये होगा, और विद इन 2, 3, 4 months you'll start seeing the best and the best results.
Okay. That is, I think, the way you approach, and
Yes.
that's the science of Vastu.
Yeah.
Before we move on to my next question, which you kind of have answered a little bit, I want to know about Irfan Khan, because you said, and you know, he's a beloved actor that you had, and we miss him a lot. He was, you know, he was not even a Hindu, but he was still so in tune with Vastu.
Irfan, not even Irfan, Vastu Shastra does not belongs to any religion.
Okay.
So everyone nowadays is following Vastu Shastra or astrology because they all know it is a science. What happened with Irfan at that particular point of time in 2016-17, I used to know that he is a believer of Vastu Shastra, and I was in the phase in which I was learning. So I got to know about his Vastu, I got to know about his maps and everything, but he was having serious Vastu issues in his home for sure. I openly say, if you have a northeast toilet or a kitchen, you will end up having cancer. And he was having 2 toilets in northeast direction. I don't know how that came into place because he was a strict believer of Vastu Shastra, but yes, that happened with him.
Oh, and then he...
Yes, he ended up having cancer and he lost the vote.
Yeah, okay. But, you know, you are India's most expensive Vastu expert, and we know that you have so many clients, but what's your process? How do you approach the problem? How do you diagnose it?
So first of all, the thing is, I need to have a map of your home and the directions from Google Earth. So once we have your map and I know that you have certain kind of things in certain kind of direction, the problem will be there for sure. For example, if you have a toilet or a kitchen in northeast, you will fall sick for sure. If you have an entrance of southwest, you will end up having loans on yourself. So this is 100% true. Nobody can deny that any home which is having a southwest entrance will end up having lawns. So if somebody is coming to me, suppose you are coming to me with certain kind of problem, I'll see the map, I'll diagnose ki हाँ ये problem यहाँ से आ रही है, and I'll treat it.
But कैसे? Like how is having a toilet in a certain direction impact your financial health?
The thing is, we all are connected to the atoms. If we talk about Shri Krishna, he said कि व्यक्ति तीन तरीके के हैं, एक राजसिक, एक सात्विक, एक तामसिक. And what our science says is we have three एटम के क्या है, इलेक्ट्रॉन, प्रोटॉन और न्यूट्रॉन. तो तीन जगह पे हम सूक्ष्मता से जुड़े हुए हैं. जो भी आपके दिमाग में चीज आ रही है, दैट इज getting influenced by your environment. So in Vastu Shastra, there is a direction which is responsible for money, which is responsible for growth, which is responsible for your health. So if you have certain kind of dosha, a toilet is a dosha, right? A kitchen is a dosha if it is in the wrong direction. So if you have that, you will end up facing issues.
So whenever you walk into any office, like when you walk into my office,
Yeah.
do you automatically start scanning कि क्या problem है, क्या वास्तु है?
I used to do that, now I don't. So you need to have a space where you are being neutral. Na? So if I got the project, I see it. Otherwise, let it be.
You try not to.
Yes. हाँ. Otherwise, I'll end up having, अरे यार आपके साथ ये problem होगी. That is not right.
Yeah.
Somebody will definitely say me कि नहीं आप मुझे जान के बोल रहे हो या आप ये चाहते हो.
That's my next question. You know, how do you maintain authenticity and credibility in this industry where skepticism is so common? Like लोगों को लगता है कि ये करने के बाद भी कहाँ से ठीक होगा? Like I said. तो कैसे आप authentic कैसे रहते हो?
So I openly say, just see my videos on YouTube, apply them, see the results, and believe me, don't pay me.
Okay.
Just you need not to spend too much for the Vastu. All my videos have remedies. All my videos are giving you 100% free consultation if you have time. My courses on YouTube are absolutely free of cost. So if you have time and if you are going through a problem, suppose one of your audience is struggling with job. So they must be having a toilet, red color or kitchen in north, right? अब उनको क्या करना है? They need to put certain kind of remedies, a green color stone below the burner or blue color tape around the toilet seat. They'll find a job. अगर ये ऐसा हो गया, ठीक है, तो everything will fall into place. और कैसे authenticity होगी? Go to YouTube, see the comments, get the glimpse कि कैसे लोगों की लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्म हुई है. It is all subconscious game. West used to say कि जो सोचते हो वो होता है ना? आपने सुना होगा ना पावर ऑफ सबकॉन्शियस माइंड कि मैं जो सोचूंगा वो हो जाएगा, एक दिन में बहुत बड़ा हो जाऊंगा, है ना? उन्होंने वो पूरी द सीक्रेट्स लिखी हुई है. बट ये एक दिन में बड़ा हो जाऊंगा कि सोच किसी के दिमाग, शाहरुख खान के दिमाग में क्यों आई, आपके दिमाग में क्यों नहीं आई? आप क्या सोचोगे ये आप सोच सकते हो. हर इंसान बहुत कुछ सोचता है, पर जो आप सोचोगे क्या आप सोच सकते हो?
नहीं.
ये क्या सोचोगे, दैट इज बीइंग मैनिपुलेटेड बाय द एनवायरनमेंट यू आर इन, जिसको हम शास्त्रों में कहते हैं आहार, विचार और व्यवहार, द एनवायरनमेंट.
तो काफी सारे लोग इंटरेस्टेड हैं और काफी सारे सवाल भी आ रहे हैं हमारे पास, हमारे इंस्टाग्राम पे डीएम्स आ रहे हैं और वास्तु के बारे में वैसे लोग जानते हैं, बट डीप डाइव जो हम करने वाले आज, तो उसके बारे में लोगों को इतना ज्यादा नहीं पता है. तो सबसे पहले मुझे ये जानना है आपसे कि ये जो फंडामेंटल्स होते हैं वास्तु के, वो आज के जमाने में आप कैसे रेलेवेंट रखते हो? बिकॉज today the world is so practical, so fast paced.
So everything comes from our ancient scriptures. For example, back then in I think like 500 or 1000 years ago, ऐसा होता होगा कि जो लाइट है उसको सिर्फ कैंडल के रूप में देखा जा सकता था. बट नाउ वी हैव LEDs, now we have bulbs, now we have laser lights and everything that represents fire only. So the fundamentals are all same which were in the ancient scriptures for sure. But अब जो है उसका यूटिलाइजेशन थोड़ा सा अलग हो चुका है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल पहले फोन नहीं था तो हम इसको बुध प्लैनेट मानते हैं. द फोन इज राहु एंड द मिक्सचर ऑफ मर्करी. सो अगेन द फंडामेंटल्स आर ऑल सेम बेस्ड ऑन द 5 elements, based on what is negative, what is positive, where you should have certain things as per Vastu Shastra. But now we have to read well, we have to think twice कि आपका जो पेन है, आपका जो पेपर है, आपका जो फोन है, आपका जो लैपटॉप है, आपका जो AI आ चुका है, ये जितनी भी चीजें आपके घर में हो रही है, रोबोट्स हो रहे हैं, ये अब कौन से एलिमेंट के हैं. तो वी हैव टू थिंक ऑन इट, वी हैव टू रिसर्च ऑन इट, एंड देन द फंडामेंटल्स विल ऑलवेज रिमेन सेम. द बेस्ड ऑन 5 elements, negativity and positivity, we make your home or office as per Vastu.
Okay, so just for the unversed who don't know कि 5 elements क्या है?
कौन से?
You can tell us.
So water, air, fire, earth, and space. These are the 5 elements: Jal, Vayu, Agni, Prithvi, or Akash. Water is blue color or black color, and water represent transportation. Water represent emotions, because our whole body is made of water element only. 72% we have in our body is water. So it also represent health. Similarly, the next element is air element. If you have any kind of dosha in the direction of air element, or air element is creating problem in your life, then you will not get ideas. You will not get refreshments. You will not get good social associations. You will have anxiety issues and everything. All the same things. For example, if you are going to a park, what happens to you in the morning?
You feel fresh.
Exactly. Same way, if you don't have the air element in your home, you won't feel fresh. That is what Vastu Shastra is all about. Same, when you see fire, when you see red light, what happens to you?
You feel fear.
You feel fear. Same way, we have a direction of fire element which gives us enthusiasm, passion. If it has a Vastu dosh, you feel fear.
Ah.
All the fundamentals are derived from all 5 elements, and the attributes of the direction are from the 5 elements only. So what problem you are facing, you have to dig down and think कि कौन से element में कौन सी problem हो रही है, और कहीं पर कोई anti element है. For example, we all know that water and fire are anti. है ना? पानी अगर अग्नि पे डालोगे तो वो बुझ जाएगी, खराब होगी. Similarly, if you have red color in wrong direction of water element, that will lead to issues.
Okay. So it's very practical science you're saying. Alright, लेकिन वास्तु की जब बात होती है तो सबसे बड़ी चीज है directions. So can you simplify that importance of directions for us?
Okay, so let's divide the direction. We have 16 directions. So back then, 10 years, 12 years back, people used to believe that we only have 4 directions. That is north, south, east, and west.
I still believe that.
Okay, so we have 16 directions as per Vastu Shastra. Okay. So major 4 directions are north, south, east, and west. North is water element, east is air element, south is fire element, and west is space element. And in between all those, we have the earth element in the center of your home. So if you have opportunity issues, if you have money issues, if you have health issues, you have to look in the direction of north, in the layman's language.
Okay.
Similarly, if you have social issues, if you don't have a great social circle, if you want to influence people, if you want to have a good marketplace, then you should look into the direction of east, which is air element, as I said. If you are into the business of fame, recognition, name, or you are a politician, then you should think in see the direction of south. Similarly, if you want more gains or profits in your business and you want your kids to study well, then you should look in the west direction. These are the 4 directions. And then we have divided them into more parts, which makes 16 direction. And once you tell me that you have certain kind of issues, I will dig into that particular direction and see what Vastu dosha is there.
Okay, but why is it that the person who is seeking fame has to look in that particular direction?
Because, for example, I said south. South direction belong to the fire element, and fire is fame. What happens to you when you see a person who is famous? You feel passionate, you feel motivated, you see a power in that particular person.
Okay.
That is because of the element that we are talking about.
Okay. But if I were to ask you, give some simple tips for people who want to, incorporate Vastu in their lives without spending too much or without changing too many things.
Okay. So first, you should have the direction, you should have the entrance of your home in right 0 degree, either north, either east, either west, or either south. What happens is, as per Vastu Shastra, the biggest myth is that most of the people think that northeast entrance is very good, especially in Dubai. Most of the people think that northeast entrance is very good, but that is a false and a myth. So you should have entrance in exact 0 degree, either north, south, east, or west. That is one thing. Keep your locker in west direction. That is second thing. If you are an elder in your home, then keep your room in the south direction, and kids should have the room in the north direction.
Okay. But in Dubai, most of the homes are rented and you can't make structural changes. So entry is something you can't really change. If the door is in a particular place, you can't change that. Then what do you do?
We do remedies. We need not to break anything. Suppose you have an entrance of north, which is not in the 0 degree, right? You might have northwest, you might have northeast. So just put a blue color tape on the entrance, that problem will be solved.
Oh, okay.
That's it. If you have a wrong entrance of the south, just put a red color tape on the entrance, that problem will be solved. If you have a wrong entrance in the east, just put a green color tape, it will be solved. And if you have a wrong entrance in the west, just put a white color tape, it will be solved. So you need not to worry about कि कोई तंत्र होगा, कोई मंत्र होगा, कोई बहुत सारी remedies आपको दी जाएंगी. These are very, very basics, and we are again using the 5 elements to balance your life.
Okay, but which are biggest misconceptions that you often come across regarding Vastu?
Specifically in Dubai, most people believe that if you have a entrance in northeast, that is good. That is the biggest myth. Secondly, people believe that south entrance is very bad. That is not bad at all. That is a very good entrance. Even Amitabh Bachchan shares that particular entrance. He has south entrance, which is S3 and S4. So that is very wrong. That is a very big myth. Similarly, one myth is also going around here is elder person of a home should sleep in southwest. That is also a very big myth. That is not true at all. So you cannot have mirror in front of bed. That is also a myth. So there are a lot more myths going and happening around. Vastu is a science, not based on myth. It is a practical implementation for sure.
All right. But a lot of people still believe that it's rigid and superstitious. So how do you integrate your scientific reasoning into your consultations to convince them?
I just bluntly listen. What is science? What is science?
I mean, practical stuff.
What practical stuff?
I mean,
How do you
action and reaction? Like you do something.
Exactly. Once you do something and you get the results, you believe it is a science.
Yeah.
Everything on the earth is based on the experiences. Suppose a person come to you who got birth before 150 years, right? And he came to you and see all the cameras and lights. He might feel that मैं कहाँ गया यार, ये तो बड़ी problem होगी, मैं तो किसी जादुई दुनिया में आ गया हूँ, because he don't know about lights. But how we came to know about science, everything that you feel, that you experience, that 1 + 1 = 2, then you try to believe that yes, 1 + 1 = 2. You have a medicine, right? आपकी जो आप मेडिसिन खाते हो, पैरासिटामोल खाते हो, तो वो आपके शरीर में असर करती है, आपके दिमाग में असर करती है?
शरीर में,
दिमाग में.
You feel that you've taken the medicine.
No. Scientifically, medicines जो है वो आपके दिमाग में असर करती है. दिमाग चैनल भेजता है ना कि आपकी इस जगह पे पेन हो रहा है, वो सॉल्व हो जाए.
Right.
है ना? आपका जो हाथ हिल रहा है, आप जो मुझसे बात कर रहे हो, it is not because of your face, it is because of your mind.
Brain is saying it.
Brain is saying it, na? Similarly, when you take the medicine, brain is saying that. And who is manipulating the brain? Your environment.
But अब तक आपने कितने लोगों को help किया होगा?
बहुत लोगों को.
Like, do you have a number?
I think directly right now I am doing consultation for around 500+ people currently. And across life, I think more than 30,000 people came into contact directly.
But if you're like dealing with 500 people, you yourself, and your job is not something that can be outsourced. You can have a team to manage your diary and your calendar, but you still have to be the face of it.
Yeah.
So how do you do this? Like,
so once I got the project, I go to them, I do the Vastu, we make the WhatsApp groups. My team know what things I have done, what were the problems with the clients, and then what remedies I have given. So after that, we have a waiting period of 30-45 days. In that time, he got the results, or she might not get the results. Anything can be possible. So we look after it. और उसके लिए हमारे पास एक पूरी टीम होती है जो इस चीज को ऑब्जर्व करती है कि क्या हो रहा है, क्या नहीं हो रहा. तो आप उनको साथ में लेकर चल सकते हो. इट इज नॉट लाइक कि मैं 500 ऑपरेशंस एक साथ कर रहा हूँ. इट इज लाइक कि 500 लोग अभी मेरे उसमें हैं, और होगा क्या, जो लोग आज से 3 महीने पहले थे उनको रिजल्ट्स आ गए, एंड दे विल मूव ऑन और दे विल गिव मी अ न्यू प्रोजेक्ट. दैट्स व्हाट यूजुअली हैपेंस.
Right. So, but you just have to ensure that they're followed up until the solutions are.
Exactly. Once you got the results, I'm out.
Okay. But doesn't get overwhelming कि इतने सारे लोग, इतनी सारी चीजें. You seem pretty relaxed and pressure free.
No, it is my job. Like, it is as same as you are doing a radio show and millions of people are listening to you. Do you bothered about that?
Yeah, I mean, not really, but yes,
it is kind of same
it's
thing.
all in a day's work. Ultimately.
Yes.
Yeah, but इतने सारे लोगों को आपने हेल्प किया, उसमें से कोई तो एक केस स्टडी होगी जो आपको बहुत ज्यादा दिल के करीब होगी.
For wealth and everything, बहुत कुछ किया है हमने, है ना. बट वो मुझे इतना मेस्मराइज नहीं करता कि किसी का. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I have worked on few brands, out of which one brand in 2019 he used to have one shop in Delhi.
Okay.
Now they are multi-billionaires, and now they are doing really well in their life. Their brand is really very big. A few film stars are doing really, really great in their lives. One of my friend celebrity, he used to do the TV,
Huh.
and he has never done any kind of movies till now. But now in 2025, he got a very big movie project. So this is very good. But the project which made me think about Vastu very into like spiritually कि हाँ there is something which is very good. हमारे पास एक बच्ची का केस आता है. She had a cancer.
Okay.
And we have multiple cases of cancer, but she was only 5-year-old जब उसको वो हुआ. और I can show you the Instagram screenshots और WhatsApps की लोगों के आते हैं कि हमारे बच्चे को ये हो गया, please try to help. And I openly say that कि if you have a toilet or a kitchen in northeast direction, you might fall sick. तो उनके घर के northeast में they used to have a kitchen. And he told me कि भाई मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है घर शिफ्ट करने का. What I can do is, so what we did is कि हम एक काम करते हैं, we'll arrange a home for you. We arranged a home for them, or after 6 months, she was out of cancer. And that was the time I thought for all the health concerns, I'll be free. So I never take charge for the people who are sick.
Consulting you for health.
Health. I never take charge from them.
Okay. But now you're in Dubai, and Dubai is a very fast-paced city and very vibrant, you know, lot of buildings. How do you view the city's design and energy?
I think energy is very good because of the land, for sure, and because of the people who are coming into. Everyone who is coming to the Dubai, they all are coming with single mindset that they want to earn well. They want to make their life happy. So the environment, the energy is getting pure. And again, the country itself, the city itself is Vastu auspicious. I don't know who guided them, or it is intentionally, or it happened like with the luck or anything. But yes, that whole country is Vastu auspicious.
Any landmarks you specifically feel that?
I feel that the Burj Khalifa and the sea, they both create two elements. One is earth and one is water element, which is very much necessary for a home or a office or a city. So Burj Khalifa technically belongs to the south direction of this particular city if you grid as per Vastu. So that is very good for Dubai for sure. Maybe in future if they change the center or something, I don't know what will gonna happen in the future. But yes, as of now, that is something which made Dubai Dubai.
So Acharya ji, इतने सारे real estate projects दुबई में आ रहे हैं, and especially after COVID, so many new projects are coming up. So do you get approached by a lot of builders here?
Yes, definitely. When I first came to Dubai in 2018 or 19, nobody used to think about Vastu very much. But now, yes, builders, developers, groups and people are aware about Vastu. They are making it auspicious. And yes, they want us to get on board and make their buildings Vastu auspicious.
Okay. Dubai में ना, there are townhouses and there are apartments. Like
Yeah.
there are villas and apartments.
Yeah.
तो क्या वास्तु दोनों के लिए अलग होता है?
No, Vastu is all same, but your approach can get changed. In villa, you have to mark 3-4 points as per Vastu Shastra, or you can say you have to work much harder than the apartment. That's it.
Okay. But
Fundamentals are all same.
working wise, India ho, Dubai ho, US ho,
It's
everything
all
is the same.
every same. That is also a very biggest myth that in West countries, in Australia and New Zealand, because their sun rises from north and go from northeast and go from west, and in India and Dubai it goes from east. But that is a myth. Vastu across globe is all same.
Okay. But Dubai के लिए जब अब आप यहाँ पर हो and you are meeting a lot of people, have you seen any peculiar challenge that you've faced, especially in the Middle East and Dubai, when working with people? और mindset लोगों के अलग है थोड़े यहाँ पर when it comes to Vastu, or are they completely aware, or do you think they still have a lot of questions about Vastu?
Everyone have the questions about Vastu for sure, but yes, people are aware also. They are not ignorant at least. So what happens in India is some of the other people, like those who are coming from Bangalore or Bombay or Mumbai, they can be much ignorant than the people who are in Dubai. Either Dubai people, either they will accept you or not accept you, but they will never tell you that you are doing wrong. That is something. But yes, they have many questions for me. the questions asked by Dubai people are much more higher than the people who ask in India. Maybe because they are much more practical and they believe in superstitions, and we people, those who are in Dubai, they are more practical
More
and
practical,
have the scientific approach.
Right. But do you have to constantly upgrade yourself? Does Vastu also become more dynamic as time goes?
Yes, obviously, because with the time the technology is improving. I might don't know what kind of product you are having at your home. Might be I'm seeing robot for the first time,
Yeah.
or some kind of machine for the first time. I need to recognize what kind of machine is that, what element is that, where they are using it, and what kind of problem they are facing. So yes, we have to work on
और
that.
आपकी टीम कैसे tools use करती है? Do you have any high tech tools to kind of ensure that you do the right
We
approach?
use Vedic tools in modern way. The
जैसे
tools are as same. जैसे मैं करता हूँ pendulum का use करता हूँ. Pendulum is very Vedic form. I use wire rod. I use L rods. They are basically steel rods to diagnose the aura of your house, the negative and positive energies of your house. I use Lekkarentina, which is very commonly used in Germany. So I use all the tools to scan the energies for sure.
But what excites you the most about Dubai and expanding your expertise over here?
Energies and the way real estate is going beyond limits in this particular country. I think if I'll be doing Vastu here in Dubai, everyone who will be here everyone is getting the success for sure in the Dubai, but they will also have more peaceful life if we are making new projects very fastly. और अगर नए प्रोजेक्ट ही अच्छे बन रहे होंगे तो लोगों की लाइफ और अच्छी हो सकती है. इन इंडिया वी डोंट हैव ऑप्शंस टू बिल्ड न्यू प्रोजेक्ट्स. जितने यहाँ बन रहे हैं उतने तो ऑफ कोर्स वहां नहीं बन रहे. तो जितनी नई चीजें बन रही हैं, अगर उनका वास्तु अच्छा हो जाए तो लोगों की लाइफ बहुत अच्छी हो सकती है. एज आई सेड, एवरीवन विल बी अर्निंग 1 lakh 2 lakh dirhams per month.
ये भी आप लिख के देते हो?
इट डिपेंड्स ऑन देयर कैपेबिलिटीज फॉर श्योर. मतलब अगर आप ये कहते हो कि जी मैंने एक फैक्ट्री लगाई, फॉर एग्जांपल आई कैन प्रोड्यूस 100 यूनिट्स अ मंथ, बट आई एम नॉट एबल टू प्रोड्यूस 100 यूनिट्स अ मंथ एंड आई एम गॉट स्टक एट 20, आई विल टेक यू टू 100. दैट्स माय विश. बट इफ यू कैन नॉट प्रोड्यूस मोर देन 100, आई कैन नॉट हेल्प यू.
लेट मी आस्क यू कि आपने ना वास्तु के लिए बहुत सारे कोर्सेज भी बनाए हैं, तो व्हाट इंस्पायर्ड यू टू फोकस ऑन एजुकेशन फ्रॉम कंसल्टिंग?
Okay, so the first point is I cannot be available to everyone because of the cost, because of there is a limit for everyone, right? So I need to educate the people, and also I want to expand my team. So I educate them, take them as the part of my team. I am expanding, and also this science should reach every part of the world. If it can help you to achieve a good health, good wealth, then why should not? So only consulting will never help me to reach every part of the world. That's why I'm educating people.
But do you feel frustrated कि आजकल सोशल मीडिया पे हर कोई एक्सपर्ट बन चुका है? हर कोई जैसे इन्फ्लुएंसर है, हर कोई रिव्यूअर है, वैसे हर कोई वास्तु एक्सपर्ट भी बन सकता है.
Yes, people claim so, but in the end, in the life, only 1% people will be the genuine, and 99% people will follow them. And if somebody is claiming to be a Vastu expert, I cannot comment that they are not right or something like that. But yes, people need to choose who is right, who is wrong.
नहीं, देखिए प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है कि ये जो बहुत थिन लाइन है बिटवीन सुपरस्टिशन एंड साइंस,
Yeah.
जब वो लाइन क्रॉस हो जाती है तो लोग स्कैम होना शुरू हो जाते हैं.
Yeah.
दे स्टार्ट गेटिंग इनटू प्रॉब्लम्स बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. सो हाउ डू वी एज ले पीपल टेल who is genuine and who is a fake scammer?
If somebody is using some kinds of machine to mesmerize you, if somebody is giving you lots of the remedies to sell, if somebody is using the words like आपकी तो ऊर्जा बहुत बुरी है, मैं आपके घर का पानी भी नहीं पीऊंगा, खाना भी नहीं खाऊंगा, these all
drama.
जो ड्रामा चल रहा है, they all are wrong. If somebody is using some kind of machines in the video and showing that we are purely scientific, no machine in the world is there to diagnose Vastu Shastra. There can be tools, not machines. So, and thirdly, but lastly, if somebody is doing Vastu in very few prices and saying you कि भाई मैं आपकी सारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर दूंगा, दैट मीन्स कि वो इंसान खुद की प्रॉब्लम अभी तक सॉल्व नहीं कर पाया. सो द थिंग इज, इफ यू आर गुड एट समथिंग, यू हैव टू गिव टाइम टू दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन. अगर मान लो आप अपना ऑपरेशन करवाने के डॉक्टर को, डॉक्टर कहता है मैं आपको 2 मिनट लगाऊंगा, बस 200 रुपए दे दो या गिव मी 10 dirhams, क्या वो डॉक्टर ठीक होगा? We all know that a person need to spend time when he is giving the services. So everyone knows, even you will be taking the services. आपको सब पता लगता है यार ये आदमी genuine नहीं है, और कहीं ना आपके दिमाग में ये बात भी आती है कि let's try. अगर आपके मन में किसी से सर्विस लेने के लिए ये फीलिंग आ रही है ना, जस्ट लेट्स ट्राई, तो इट विल बी जस्ट अ ट्राई.
But like you said in one of my earlier episodes as well कि comments पढ़ना, reviews पढ़ना भी बहुत अच्छी बात है, right? You have to see कि what people are saying about you.
Look, we are present like in most of the countries across the globe. I have a team of 300 plus associates. I have trained more than 1 lakh people till now in last 5 years of journey. I myself have worked on more than 30,000 people. Right now I'm working on 500 people. I have a people of 70 plus teams. Nobody else in the world have this much of the big team, just because we are giving results to them. If somebody is coming to your home and giving the services, ask him how many people you have worked for. कितने लोगों के लिए काम किया है, कितने व्यापारियों को पैसा दिया. अब वास्तु कंसल्टेंट कोई आएगा, वो आके बोलेगा कि नहीं जी मैंने तो ज्यादा लोगों के लिए काम नहीं किया, बट आई विल मेक यू दिस एंड दिस, मैं आपको 100 करोड़ का बना दूंगा, 1000 करोड़ का बना दूंगा. कितने लोग आपका नाम ले रहे हैं, कितने लोगों ने. देयर वाज अ डे आई वाज एट द की, जब मैं भी नया था, मैंने भी किसी के लिए काम नहीं किया था, बट आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग इट फॉर फ्री. जब मैंने 500-600 लोगों के लिए कुछ कर दिखाया, देन आई स्टार्टेड अर्निंग मनी ना. सो इफ यू थिंक कि कोई आया, उसने 2 दिन 4 दिन कोर्स किया, कुछ बन गया एंड ही इज कमिंग नाउ आई एम अ सो कॉल्ड वास्तु कंसल्टेंट और आई कैन सॉल्व ऑल योर प्रॉब्लम, जस्ट गिव मी फ्यू bugs, देयर विल बी समथिंग व्हिच इज
If
not
it's
right.
too good to be true, it probably is.
Obviously yes.
Okay. Alright. So लेकिन जैसे आपने बोला कि लोग ये कहते हैं कि मैं आपको रिजल्ट दे दूंगा, बट आपके पास भी ऐसे केसेस आई एम श्योर आते होंगे कि इमीडिएट रिजल्ट्स नहीं दिखते हैं, तो हाउ डू यू डील विद दैट?
Immediate results ऐसी कोई चीज ही नहीं है. If your turnover can be turned around in 1 year, so it will be turned around in 1 year only ना. मतलब आपकी कोई मूवी बन रही है, वो आपकी रिलीज ही अगर 1 साल में होनी है, तो मैं उसको 1 महीने में कैसे रिलीज करवा दूंगा, राइट?
जो टाइम लगना है वो तो लगना है.
टाइम लगना है, उसकी स्पीड तेज हो सकती है, बट नॉट, मतलब आप फेक इज्म पे मत जाओ. मैं आपको बोलूं कि मैं आपको 10 दिन के अंदर करोड़ों का आदमी बना दूंगा, तो भाई खुद बन जा पहले, है ना. So,
No, what I also meant was how do you handle disgruntled clientele?
no, those who are paying, those who are having belief in you, they are not they have a belief system, they are following me, they want the results to be there. I need to guide them. For example, in one of my client in the recent times, they were not getting the intensity of the results. उनको ऐसा लग रहा था कि मुझे results नहीं आए, but I guided them कि भाई आप यहां से यहां तक पहुंचो, it will take this much of the time, आप इसके भी आगे निकल जाओगे. So you have to guide them, you have to be their consultant, you have to guide them regularly कि आपके साथ ये हो गया, ये हो गया, ये हो गया, अब यहां तक ऐसे पहुंचोगे. That is not a one day game.
But आपके experience में what is the most common mistake that people make while applying Vastu? Not while thinking about Vastu, while applying it.
First, not using the maps. In last 1 week, I've been to 6 of 7 apartments or the villas of my friends only. They were taking consultations from someone from last 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 7 years. इस टाइम में इन्होंने जिससे कंसल्टेशन ली, इफ somebody is just using a compass and coming to your home and doing the वास्तु कि आपका ये सही है, ये गलत है, he is wrong. You need to have an X-ray report which we call a map. You need to have the Google degrees. अगर आपकी डायरेक्शन गलत मार्क्ड है, अगर आपका मैप नहीं है, तो nobody is allowed to do the वास्तु. So ये लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, आएंगे आपसे थोड़े से पैसे चार्ज करेंगे, ओके हमने सब कुछ देख लिया, हमारे पास कंपास है, that is wrong. So applying वास्तु, you must have a map, you must have the degrees, then you have to visit that particular place to give the results. All the things are mandatory.
But when you do it for people in other countries who are not where you are, how do you manage them? Do you do online courses?
Yes, we do online consultation. We take the videos of their homes. We take all the possible outcomes, the Google location and the maps and the blueprints of their home, and we try to work on that.
Okay. Right. Now in Dubai, how do you see this evolving, Vastu, in the next few years?
I think in next 1 to 2 years, 50 or 60% of people will following the Vastu. I think so.
50 or 60%
of the people
will be following
the Vastu.
Okay, and finally, what's the one piece of advice that you believe everyone, no matter where they are, should follow?
As said, as per Vastu Shastra, never have a toilet, a kitchen in northeast direction. Never have a red color in northeast direction. Never have a home with southwest entrance where south and west are meeting. Rest, everything will be okay, we can be treated, and never have a Vastu dosh in Brahmasthan or center of your home. If you have all the things fall into place which is not right, other than this, they are solvable, that are solvable.
But if these are not right, then you need structural changes to fix them.
Exactly. So while choosing a home, while choosing a rented villa or rented apartment, just check these particular tips. At least your life will be at ease.
Okay. Now I'll move on to a few questions from our listeners who have got and from our viewers on our podcast, जो हमारे Instagram पे आए हैं. तो सबसे पहले तो जस्सी ने पूछा है, what is the best direction for placing a work desk in an office?
If what exactly you are doing, it depends on that. So for whole kind of management, you should sit in west direction, and if you are into the marketing, then go in the north direction.
Okay. And if you already have a desk, you tell your office HR to change it.
If it is possible for, then you can do it, or just put a wallpaper similar to your field on your laptops.
Okay.
That will also help you.
That's a quick fix.
Yeah.
Kuntal is asking, how does Vastu affect employee productivity and workplace harmony?
It helps very much. Most of the people working in the office or the corporates, they have the major problem of the staff retention. That comes from southeast direction. If you have a toilet or a washroom or a black color in southeast direction, that leads to the staff retention issues, and you can solve it easily.
Okay. Rija is asking, are there any Vastu tips for attracting more clients in business opportunities?
Just put a blue color or white color in north direction, and never have a red color in north direction. Also, if you can hang or put a spotlight in north direction of 30 watts, that will help you attract more customers.
Okay. There's one more question. This one's from Paritosh. How can one correct Vastu dosh in a rented office space?
As I said earlier, we have lots and lots of remedies, like putting some small tapes.
But you should know what the problem is.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Everything is solvable.
Okay. Meera is asking, how does the placement of plants affect wealth and growth?
Very nice question. First of all, if you have plants in north direction, that is very good. If you have plants in east direction, that is also very good. But if you have plant in southwest or west direction, that leads to issues in the monetary terms as well as relationships. So always keep plants, specifically money plant, in north direction to attract more wealth.
Okay. Two more questions for you. One is from Nabnita. She's asking, what role do water elements like fountains, aquariums, जो होते हैं ना हमारे घरों में, fish tank, they play in Vastu?
Very much. If you have a fountain, if you have fish aquarium, if you have anything which is related to water, that should be kept in north. Never keep a fountain, a fish aquarium, or anything related to water element in south direction. That are the opposite elements. So if you want to keep, just keep it in the north direction. That will help you also.
Okay. And finally, this one's from Ritu. Can Vastu help in reducing unnecessary expenses?
Yes. If you can keep your locker in west or west of southwest direction, that will definitely help you to improve your savings and wealth.